How to update WhatsApp business app. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can update your WhatsApp business application, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to pick up your mobile device, then go to your app store. It could be your Play Store, it could be your Apple Store, depending on the kind of depending on the kind of device that you're using. Okay. So for me, I got my own application from Play Store, so I'm just going to go there. Once you're on the Play Store's page, move to the bottom right corner, click on the search icon, and in the search box, type out the name of the application that you would like to update, which is WhatsApp Business. Then once you're on the WhatsApp business details page, if there's a recent update on this app, by the right side of the screen where you can see the option open, instead of open, what you would see there is the option update. All right, that is what you would see the update. So just click on it, and after clicking on it, your WhatsApp business account will be updated and you can go ahead to use the app. So that is it. This is how you can update your WhatsApp business app. Thank you for watching and have a good day.